If you're looking for an app where you can do an AI face swap, maybe you want to make yourself dance, maybe you want to appear in a wedding, whatever that you want. Okay, this is a cool app that you can try out. I've actually used it to get a face to look like this, and in this picture I've used, I just had to choose a template. Okay, so let me save this so that I can try to start. So you kind of swap a face in a template, you replace it with your picture, then to generate a video, then you can save the video. Then you can be like that person. Okay, it's kind of a cool. There's so many templates. There's so many templates. Let me try to go back to home. Let me just go. Okay. There's kind of also ads. So, and some of these ads you can't really escape them. So it's kind of very crazy. But let's try to see how we can try to skip this. Okay. So continue to the app. Okay. Oh my gosh. So in this app, we're going to see how you can create maybe videos for wedding. If you have never been on a wedding, you can make your pet to do something, maybe cook or whatever. Like there's so many templates, and it's easy to use them. So let's try to go to back to the home. So let me try to cross this. There's so many ads actually. There's so many ads. There's so many ads. You may actually fail to use it sometimes. Let me try to cross this. Let me try to cross this. Okay. So this is a template that I used, and to unlock, to use the template, you have to watch almost like 2 or 3 videos. Each ad can take you like maybe like 30 seconds, 20 to 30 seconds. So that is almost 1 minute. So that is one of the problems why people are having issues. So every click takes you to an ad. Every click takes you to an ad. Okay. So that is kind of something which is really too stressful. Okay. Let me try to do go to the app. Okay, sometimes you just need to use the app. Okay, this is really too much. All right. So if you're kind of a person trying to do maybe swap, maybe you want to be graduated, it's something like that. Okay, so it's a very good app, and they have some great reviews. Okay, almost like 90% of people are really enjoying. There's some bad reviews, but most of the bad reviews are more of this most invasive ad experience ever. That is something which is you can see also in this review that I'm making. Okay, almost everything that you kind of click on is an ad. Okay, so they do have dance and sing, so you can dance and sing. You just have to select the template that you want. Then they have bride. You can can be a bride. You just have to choose a template. The most trending, I think, is this lady who does the love sign. So you can check out one of the most trending ones. Okay. So I think it's mostly women who are using this app, because most trending I'm seeing like it's women. Okay. So first dance, AI video. Okay. So you don't know how to, kind of do your script. You can just choose. Then they have for you, these are kind of selected. Okay. So yeah, so this is Mivo, and they have also the pro version. If you don't want the ads, you can try to kind of buy a pro. You can try to go to a pro. Okay. So that is it. That's what I can say about Mivo. But generally, it's a great app. Just that you have to really suffer with the ads. That's what I can say. Okay. So see you in the next video, and bye bye.